morning, friends, and welcome to Wednesday. We left Missouri almost 2 hours ago. We are in Mount Vernon, Illinois on 57 South, which is a very familiar road for me. We are in Illinois, and then we are headed south on 57 and headed over through Kentucky, then to Nashville. I'll be dropping my mom off. Her estimated time of arrival at her house is about 1:30, give or take a couple of minutes. And then I am hitting the road and heading home because I have a surprise trip that I am going on, and I cannot wait to be able to share that with you guys. Of course, right now it doesn't even matter because this video is going to go up way after the fact. So I am going to Disney. I am so excited about going to Disney. Oh, my gas just thing. Okay, I'll be back. So I just filled up with gas, still in Mount Vernon, and went to the bathroom, stocked up on some snacks. I got some Pringles. Mom got some chips and some crackers. She got a drink. I got a drink. We are ready to rock and roll, heading home. Yes, yes, yes. Time to go home. I'm so excited about going to Disney. I'm so excited. I've been looking forward to this all week, and I can't believe that I'm gonna be I was in St. Louis, and then Memphis, and Tennessee, and Illinois, and then Disney. Guys, I'm so excited. So, I will see you guys later on. Bye. So we decided to stop by Patty's, where we used to eat all the time, and this is what it looks like right now. It's all flat. Nothing here. Hello. But yeah, that's where Patty's was. Oh my gosh. She had a little gazebo and everything. Oh, how sad. Yeah. But again, it's gonna be bigger and better. Love it. Okay. And yeah, this was like the entrance right here to Patty's. Oh yeah, my goodness. Yeah.
I remember going to some of these little shops and
yep, right there was the entrance and stuff. Yeah.
And they had the cute little
so you could walk up right here, and there's like animals and all kinds. So they have coming soon. There's a picture of it right there of what it's gonna look like. Patty's. Yeah. I wonder if I can like
don't.
Alrighty, so on our way home, I wanted to stop off at Patty's, which is that restaurant that we always eat at while we are in Kentucky. It burnt down. I think I've told you guys this before. So it burnt down back in like January or February-ish. And they are rebuilding, which is really, really nice. And I just got out and took a picture of what the new Patty's is gonna kind of look like. So I took a picture of that and I sent it to Brian's mom. Because this is just a, you know, I've been coming to this place for 18 years with Brian, and he's been coming a longer time than me. So, and my parents have actually been here before too. But anyway, on our way. Okay, so I think that this is gonna be our last stop before I drop my mom off. We just are gonna stop at this Huck's gas station to go to the bathroom. And then it's only about 2.5 hours from my mom's house. Huh? Yeah. 2.5 hours from my mom's house, and then she'll be home. It's fine. Let's go pee-pee, Mom.
Don't put that on there.
I knew she'd say that. Don't put that on here.
It's a private moment.
It's not a private moment. So this is what the new Patty's is gonna kind of look like. I know that's not a very good picture, but this is just what their little drawing shows outside by the front door area. But it looks like it's gonna be really nice though. I'm excited. I can't wait till it's open. It's gonna be nice. All right, we're gonna hit the road now. Headed to my mom's. All right, you guys, so it is 2:15. I just dropped my mom off, ran in the house, went to the bathroom, grabbed a sun drop, and I'm running off the road. And now I am headed home. It actually says that right now it's gonna take me, because of traffic, 4 hours and 5 minutes. And I should get home at 6:21. We shall see if that's true. And I don't know exactly like where the traffic is at, so I'm not exactly sure what to avoid. So yeah, 4 hours and it's 4 hours and 5 minutes now. But yeah, I'm leaving. I just dropped off my mom. We had such an amazing time. It was so good spending that time with my mom. We laughed so hard that we had tears. We cried. It was so fun. We laughed so hard we cried. That's exactly what I have to say. We laughed so hard we cried. We had so much fun just chatting and catching up and just enjoying each other's company, and it's just, I'm so thankful that I actually had this opportunity to be with my mom like I did. So it was nice. But now I'm on my way home, and yeah, I'll be home hopefully probably around 7. I gotta grab something to eat. I gotta unpack and repack and then get myself ready for Disney, and I'm super excited. So I will see you guys a little bit later. Bye guys. Alrighty guys, so I am on 75 South now, out of Chattanooga, headed south in 75 Georgia to my house. And I forgot that there's a time change, so when I said I was gonna be home at like 6:20, it's actually gonna be like 7:20. So yeah, I forgot about that time change, so that always screws you up. But anyway, woohoo, welcome to Georgia. Angie is back, and then I have to stop at this next rest area that I find up here because Angie's got to go to the bathroom. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I will be home at 7:18 according to my time here. About 2 hours and 40 minutes, which means that there's traffic because it's usually about 2 hours from right here. So probably 40 minutes of traffic, which sucks. But I'll be home and in my bed, and I gotta pack for Disney. I'm excited. See you in a little bit. Bye.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face, 'cause I can't concentrate.
Oh my god. I'm like all like flush, like I'm warm, but I'm really not. But I think I'm just tired because obviously I've been up since 5 a.m. this morning, so my mom and I could get on the road at 7. Anyway, I made it to Atlanta, but I'm sitting in pretty much standstill traffic. Not very happy about it. Kind of makes me mad, but I kind of expected it too. So this is something I knew I was gonna run into by leaving and coming home tonight. So now it says I won't be home till 8. Yay, welcome to Atlanta. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but look at all of the like roads. Like everything is red and orange. It means it's like stop and slow traffic. Stop and go traffic, stop and go traffic. And it's 7 o'clock at night. What? This is insane. And look, even up there on the bridge, it's backed up. On that bridge and the bridge way in front of me, backed up. What the frack, people? It's 7 o'clock. Alrighty guys, so I am in my bed, about ready to crash. I just emptied out my suitcase, put some extra clothes in there, some extra undies, stuff that I need to wear for the weekend. I have to have an outfit to wear tomorrow, a shirt possibly for tomorrow evening, outfit for Friday, my shirt for Friday night, and then my outfit for home. So I packed some clothes in my suitcase and some extra undies. And then that's it. I'm just gonna be, oh, I gotta grab some tennis shoes. I gotta have tennis shoes to wear and socks. So I actually have to go do that really quick. And then I'm actually uploading my second part of the Loretta Lynn video. I am so sorry that I was not able to upload that while we were out. The internet that we had at the hotel sucked. So I was unable to upload the videos. So I'm gonna be behind in editing and putting up content for the next couple of days, but once I get back home and get back in a routine of things, Monday, I will start editing and uploading video content for you guys, as well as a daily vlog, hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thank you guys for traveling home with me today. I totally appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, just give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And my hair is like up here in this cute little ponytail. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.